Hello friends, good evening all. This is my first ever video on stock analysis in English. Today we are going to look at how Greenpanel Industry Limited is looking for investment and how this can make a 10x return probably in 7 to 9 years of time. Greenpanel Industries Limited is an Indian company which is engaged in the manufacturing of medium density fiber board and pre-laminated particle board and wooden floorings. The company is listed on the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange and has a market capitalization of approximately 2,200 crores as of 31st March this year. Here is the detailed analysis of Greenpanel Industries for the investment purpose. First, let us look at financial performance. Greenpanel Industry Limited has shown consistent revenue growth over the last 3 years. The company revenue has grown at a CAGR of 12% from financial year 2019 to financial year 2022, and its net profit has grown at a CAGR of 21% during the same period, which is considerably very good. The company has a healthy return on equity, 20.5%, and debt to equity ratio which is less than 0.04%, indicating a strong balance sheet. Let us look at market position. Greenpanel Industry is one of the leading player in the MDF market and with a market share of approximately 10%. The company has a strong brand presence and a well-established distribution network which has over 1,500 dealers and distributors across the country. From the growth prospect, the company is an Indian MDF market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 12% over the next 5 years, driven by the factors such as increasing urbanization, growing demand for affordable housing and rising disposable income. The Greenpanel company is well positioned to benefit from this growth prospect given that its well established market position and strong brand presence. From the risk perspective, Indian MDF market is highly competitive and the company can face intense competition from other established players in the industry. Moreover, fluctuation in the prices of the raw material for this industry, particularly wood in resins, could impact the company's profitability. In addition, any adverse changes in the government regulations related to forestry or wood-based industry could affect the company's operation. Now let us look at valuation. Greenpanel is currently trading at a PE ratio of 9.3x, which is lower than the industry, and the industry average is 13.6x times. This gives an indication that company is currently undervalued and there is a currently potential for its stock price to increase in the future. Based on the above analysis, Greenpanel Industry Limited appears to be a promising investment opportunity in 2023. The company has a strong market position, healthy financial and good growth prospect in future. However, investors should be aware of that risk involved and monitor any developments in the industry and regulatory changes that could impact the industry. I hope you like the content of this video. Since you are visiting first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for such insightful growth stocks for your investment journey. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in another video. Thank you.